Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Dr. John here, coming at you live. Well, not really live, you get it. We're in Alaska. Welcome to an aerial adventure over the breathtaking landscapes of Alaska. I've always been obsessed with this place. The raw, untamed beauty, it's like nothing else on Earth. And today we're going to experience it all from a totally unique perspective. That's right, we're exploring the top must-see spots from a drone's eye view, so buckle up, it's going to be epic. All right, first up, we're soaring high above Denali National Park. This place is 6 million acres of pure wilderness. Just imagine glaciers, forests, rivers, and the king of them all, Denali. This mountain, formerly known as Mount McKinley, is a monster. We're talking 20,310 feet of pure rock and ice. It dominates the skyline, casting shadows for miles. Keep your eyes peeled for grizzly bears, caribou, and maybe even a moose or two. This is their kingdom, and we're just visitors passing through. Next stop, we're heading south to the Kenai Fjords, a place where the raw power of nature is on full display. Get ready for some serious drama because this is where glaciers meet the sea in a spectacular collision of ice and water. These massive rivers of ice carve through the landscape, creating fjords that plunge thousands of feet deep, shaping the terrain over millennia. And the wildlife here is off the charts, with a diversity that will leave you in awe. We're talking humpback whales breaching the surface, orcas on the hunt, and puffins chilling on cliffs, all thriving in this icy paradise. It's a reminder that nature is powerful, beautiful, and totally unpredictable, with landscapes that seem almost otherworldly. This is the kind of place that makes you feel small, you know, the vastness of the fjords and the sheer scale of the glaciers are humbling. But in a good way. It's a humbling experience that connects you to the raw beauty of our planet. Like, it puts everything in perspective, reminding us of our place in the grand scheme of things. All right, time to chill out a bit in Prince William Sound. This stunning location in Alaska is a true gem, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This place is all about tranquil waters, forested islands, and snow-capped peaks. The landscape here is like something out of a dream, with its pristine beauty and untouched wilderness. Imagine kayaking through hidden coves, spotting sea otters playing in the kelp forests. The wildlife here is abundant and diverse, making every moment an adventure. It's the kind of place that makes you want to disconnect from the world and just breathe. The tranquility and peace you find here are unmatched, offering a perfect retreat for the soul. And the history here is fascinating. From ancient indigenous cultures to more recent historical events, there's so much to learn and discover. Back in 1989, the Exxon Valdez oil spill devastated this area. It was one of the worst environmental disasters in history, affecting countless wildlife and ecosystems. But nature is resilient, and Prince William Sound has made an incredible recovery. The efforts to restore this area have been nothing short of miraculous, showcasing the power of nature's healing. It's a reminder that even in the face of disaster, there's always hope. The beauty and resilience of Prince William Sound inspire us to protect and cherish our natural world. Hold on tight because we're about to explore Wrangell St. Elias, the largest national park in the US. This place is huge. I'm talking 13.2 million acres of pure wilderness. We're talking 9 of the 16 highest peaks in the US, glaciers bigger than some countries, and wildlife everywhere you look. Keep an eye out for Dall sheep scaling cliffs, mountain goats navigating treacherous slopes, and maybe even a glimpse of a wolverine. This is true wilderness, untouched and untamed. It's a reminder that there are still places on Earth where nature reigns supreme. Last but not least, we're touching down in Anchorage, Alaska's largest city. This vibrant city is a fascinating blend of urban life and untamed wilderness, offering a unique experience that you won't find anywhere else. Now you might be thinking, what's a city doing on a list of Alaska's must-see spots? Well, Anchorage is not just any city. It's a place where the hustle and bustle of city life meets the serene beauty of nature. But trust me on this one, Anchorage is a city like no other. Anchorage is unique because it's surrounded by wilderness. Imagine waking up to the sight of majestic mountains and pristine forests right at your doorstep. We're talking mountains rising up right from the city limits, creating a stunning backdrop that will leave you in awe. Trails leading straight from downtown into the wild, Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a leisurely stroll, Anchorage has something for everyone. You can be hiking a glacier in the morning, exploring the icy wonders and breathtaking landscapes, and catching a show in the evening. The city's vibrant arts scene offers everything from theatre performances to live music. It's the perfect blend of urban excitement and natural beauty. You get the best of both worlds in one incredible location. Plus, the people here are awesome. The locals are known for their friendliness and welcoming nature. They're down-to-earth, adventurous, and always up for a good time. Whether you're looking for adventure or relaxation, Anchorage has it all. And that's a wrap on our Alaskan adventure. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey over Alaska. We've seen towering mountains, massive glaciers, and wildlife you won't find anywhere else. But most importantly, we've experienced the raw, untamed beauty that makes Alaska so special. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing drone adventures. We've got some epic journeys coming up, and you don't want to miss out. Until next time, peace out.